Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the pre-market sit-rep. Today is 17th August 2022 and it is episode 51. Today is Wednesday, a day before weekly expiry. And let's see what markets are doing. Good morning, friends. Welcome back. Sorry for that. Pre-market sit-rep. So, let's see how markets are shaping up today. We will see first Nifty and Bank Nifty futures on daily charts, and then we will go to intraday as well as market profile charts. You see that we have formed a nice red candle here. I told you in yesterday's session that 17,860 is the level we have to watch for, and we will look at intraday chart where I'll show you how the market has been repeatedly shunted down at 17,860. However, in SGX, as we see, SGX is trading near 17,890 levels or 880 levels. So there is a kind of a slight upswing there because US markets were up, and there is a kind of bullishness that is fine. That bullishness will be there because the markets are continuously going up for some reason. No one knows. I would trust this rally only if there is an upswing in cash market, but we are not seeing any rally in cash market. No stocks. We are not seeing any stocks that are continuously showing up upswing, and I do not see any buying in cash stocks as of now. However, if we break the trend line near 17,860 and we sustain above that, there can be a pretty good short covering rally. However, I'll be very, very careful because any negative news now can kind of blow the balloon pretty fast, and this is where most of the short-term players or retail players get tagged down. That means they increase their position sizing at these levels, and suddenly when the market is down by, let's say, 200 or 300 points in a day, they are caught. They are caught in a very wrong position. So in Bank Nifty, you see that there is a very good indecision candle. The doji is there, and this indicates that we have to be careful. You should not look at SGX and or Dow or Nasdaq and S&P 500 futures and get the courage to go long here. There is nothing wrong in going long here, but you need to look at the context on an intraday chart and see whether we are going to dip or going to go up. So you need to be very careful at these levels. That is what my worry is about retail players. So let's look at now what is the plan of action now in Nifty. The plan of action is that you just keep looking for longs if there is strength in intraday. However, below 860, if we come below 860, you have to be very careful and you have to lower your expectations. And once we break the low of the day, you should not fight back with the index to go long again. So don't fight back, don't overtrade. This is the market where a lot of overtrading will empty your capital. So probably in a month you will not have capital to fight another day, and that will be very gruesome. So if you want any other way of looking at resistances, one is the trend line that we are going through. And if we look at let's say the weekly chart, you will see that just a minute, let's reassess how we are doing it on weekly chart. So I'll show you that we are pretty this is a level where we have to be very, very careful. So we are not, as of now, we are not breaking the trend line. If we break the trend line, there can be a good momentum on the upside, but we have to stay above 17,860. That is what I'm trying to say here. So let's look at intraday charts, how the auction was built up yesterday. You see that 860 is a level where there was constant resistance. So today if the market opens, we have to be very careful at this level on any fall. And another level is 17,740. This is where my second landmine will come. So on the downside, the targets, these can be very good targets, 17,860 and 17,740. Only thing is the market has to break down after open. Let's look at pre-open and then decide which way the market is going. I'll post the levels on Telegram. And you see that yesterday we opened with a lot of guts. So however, the market was probably this is because of fin nifty expiry. You see that the market was taken down. Of course we came back, but that is not enough. So 38 320 is 321 to be precise, is very, very important. And you see a lot of action happened around there. I told you in Telegram channel that this level is very, very important. So it was very good for scalping below and above these levels. So that is what remains an important point if Bank Nifty opens gap up. So if there is a slight gap up, so look for a break of 321 and then look for break of 39,125. So these are the two levels that are very, very important in Bank Nifty. So you have to be very careful when you are taking longs, have stop losses. That is what will safeguard your capital. Now, in Nifty, you see that the market had a very good kind of selling the resistance zone. So this was this 17,860 was very, very important level. But if you see, I have told you about this level even before the profile is formed. So it is not because of market profile, but that is how profile is formed. And today 835 is going to be very important. Below this level we can kind of look for levels of 740 and 700 levels. So this is what market profile informs us. Let's look at Bank Nifty, where what we're doing there. So in Bank Nifty, the profile structure is very weak. The market is in a jumpy situation. What I mean by jumpy situation is there are many anomalies along the way in the market yesterday. These anomalies have to be repaired. So mostly the market can stay in this for tomorrow's expiry, and tomorrow's expiry is going to be very, very important. Because we are going with some kind of skirmishes in Ukraine, and China remains a worry. So you have to be very careful around here. So this is the zone we are going to trade either today or tomorrow. And tomorrow there can be a good fall. That is what I am expecting, unless we are staying above 17,860 in Nifty and 39,321 in Bank Nifty. So today we may open gap up. However, this is going to be a very key support zone. Here we are going to come and take support if we open gap up, slight gap up. So that is what we need to look for in the market today. So let's look at weekly charts, how the weekly charts are developing. You see that the Monday and Tuesday weekly chart is very well balanced. So there can be a big fall below 17,840, 860 or 840 levels. So this is the zone that you have to look for, and the target can be 17,700 if at all we go downside. On the upside, you have 17,949 as the target. So you have to keep that in mind when you are trading intraday. Now in Bank Nifty, you see that the profile is more balanced. That means not balanced. It has a lot of anomalies. It's not a perfect profile. So the market may try to trade in Mondays and Tuesday's zone. So we have to be cognizant of that. So the most of the trading can happen here, and any fall below 13,925 can bring a deep fall. Otherwise, that should be the stop loss for long. So remember these levels, and you will be fine. So there is nothing to add more today, because the market is rather dull. Probably we may have a rangy day also for tomorrow's expiry. Otherwise, if they want to, if large players want to move the market today tomorrow can be a rangy day. So there is a lot of indecision in the market at these levels. So you have to be very careful about over trading, whether you are a scalper or intraday trader or a positional trader. You should not over trade, especially in positional trades. Please keep your size very small, or 25% to 30% of your regular size. This is very important. So with that in mind, I think we are done for today. There is nothing much to add. So have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give your feedback in the comment section, and also please like my videos. That's how YouTube works. So if you like more, I'll get more subscribers as it increases the visibility in YouTube dashboard. That's all for today, guys. Have a great day. Please remember the levels, and please keep your positions sizes controlled. That is the most important holy grail for retail traders. And also, please do not overtrade. Bye bye.